Welcome to my CLT presentation, presented by EZHILARASAN.R. Third becomes a section. My topic is fund flow statement. A fund flow statement is statement prepared to analyze the reason for changes in the financial position of company between two balance sheets. It products in inflow and outflow of funds, source of funds, applications of funds for a particular period. Fund flow is the net of all cash inflows and outflows in and out of various financial assets. Fund flow is usually measured on a monthly and quarterly basis. The performance of assets or fund is not taken into account, only share retributions of outflows and share purchase or the basic purpose of funds flow statement is to reveal the changes in the working capital on the two balance sheet dates. It's also describable the source from which additional working capital has been financed and the use to which working capital has been applied. Fund flow is the sum of all cash inflow or outflow from and into different financial assets. Fund flow is usually calculated on a monthly or quarterly basis. Number of accounts is taken of the output of an asset or fund. It is only the share representations of outflows and share purchase in inflows. The accounts involved are such an one is current account, while the others is a non-current account. Is current assets and permanent liability of current assets and fixed assets, or current liability and fixed assets, or current liability and permanent liability, then in the result in the flow of funds. They are four main financial statements. They are 1. Balance sheet, 2. Incoming statements, 3. Cash flow statements, and 4. Statement of shareholders' equity. A source and use of funds statement is a summary. A firm changes in financial position from the period to another. It is also called flow and funds statement, or a statement of changes in the financial position has been replaced by cash flows. Thank you to listening to me.